Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make decals in Roblox. So how to start off? We start off on the main page of Roblox. When we get here, we navigate to the tab and we select the create button. After we select the create button, you will be taken to a different type of site. If you are taken to a different site, you can just go into the tab, copy this link right here and just paste it by itself. It will take you straight to the dashboard without any other things that you will need to select. After you are here, you move over to the right and you select the development items. When you get to the development items, you navigate and find the decal section. When you find the decal section, it's selected and you select the upload asset section. After you have selected upload asset section, now you will select upload once more and now find an image that you want to upload to your decals or your Roblox. For example, I want to upload this one, so I double click and select it. For example, I will name mine this one. So here you can write the description if you want to, but it isn't necessary. After you are done, you just press upload. And as you can see, it's uploaded. Let's go to my Roblox account to show you that it will show up into my inventory here. Let's select inventory. On the left, scroll down and find the decals and select because, and as you can see, it's right here. You can also use it in any game by just copying the link and pasting it wherever you need it. And that's how you get the link to your decal. And if you need the image or decal ID, then the ID is actually the number after library slash and before slash your name. So it will show you the decal ID. And that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.